Hey James, what up, hottie?
Oh shit. Yo!
What's wrong with your ride, man? You drive that? Looks like you're driving some homeless dude's ride from Trailer Park Boys.
Great. Just what I need. Sarah and Lissa's seeing me right now. The last thing I really need is to have my game fucked up on top of this shit. Well, I made it just on time. Wow, all this pressure of trying to get here really made me stressed. I wonder if there's a way to not let things like this get to me. Well, the good news was, I did find out a way. And now I'm about to tell you how it happened. Hello, ma'am. I came here for a 9 o'clock court date.
9 o'clock? Wow, you're just on time. What's your name?
James Hackett. Sometimes I'm known as Hackmaster Flash because of my slick timing.
Are you aware that your court date was scheduled for 7?
What? Really? But the ticket said 9.
Do you need me to actually show it to you so you can read it word for word?
Definitely. Because I swear it said 7 o'clock. Oh.
You need to learn to read, or else you'll end up paying fines your whole life. Well, I'll probably get a raise.
Oh. Darn cops with their messy handwriting. Darn it. I wish I didn't miss my court date. Now I gotta pay tons of fines and probably lose my license. What am I gonna do? Sniffles. You know I don't like him when you look at me like that. Oh shit! Oh.
Hey, what's up, man? I just got up early this morning and never thought I would see you. How you doing?
Hey, what's up, Dave? I just completely killed my car.
Oh, man. That must really suck. Shit, that's fucked up. What? You're laughing? Shit, I'd be pissed if my car was fucked up. Man, you must be tripping.
You know what? I just realized something. This whole morning was terrible because I spent the whole time wanting something way too bad. I wanted something so bad that it ended up making me miserable. You see, Dave, if I didn't panic this morning, this would not have all happened. I would have read my ticket more carefully. I would not have gotten a flat tire. My car wouldn't be fucked. And most importantly, I would be happy because I wouldn't be suffering from super strong preferences.
So you're saying your day got fucked up because your preferences were too strong?
Exactly. I just realized that when you make preferences too strong, you will end up suffering as a result. For the rest of this day, I'm going to let go of strong preferences and experience the enjoyment of what remains.
Wow, that's a brilliant idea, man. Hey, you want to stop over my house and chill for the day? I got a case of beer and we could invite some other people.
Heck yeah, we could end up throwing a party.
Heck yeah, man. Forget about inviting just a couple of people. I'm about to do that.
I learned a valuable lesson today. I learned it's okay to have preferences in life. However, if preferences become too strong, like the one I had today, not only they often won't work out due to panic, but it can make you not enjoy life. The key to enjoying every moment is to not have strong preferences, because if they are too strong, you set strong expectations that you're afraid won't be met. For now on, whenever I want something, I will understand I can still be happy even if the desired outcome isn't met. I'm very happy about what happened today, because I learned this valuable lesson. Now I can enjoy every moment, no matter what, more easily.
Hey man! Oh my god, man!